Welcome to how to make 3D text tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to add 3D text in After Effects. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to click on new composition and then you can name this composition as you like. I will name it 3D text. And then go to 3D renderer. And here, click on Cinema 4D. As you see here, then click on OK. You need to wait for it to load. And then from here, you need to right click and click on New, and then click on Text. Then here, you can write whatever you want. I will write subscribe. After that, you need to go to your text from here and click on here to make it a 3D layer. Then click on this one and click on geometry options. And then you need to put the extension depth to 200. And then you can select angular style. After that you need to right click and then click on new and then click on camera. Then let the default be 35mm and click on OK. Then you can click C and then you can rotate your subscribe, and then we're back at where we began. Also you can hold down the Alt button plus the scroll button to move the text, as you see. So that's how you make a 3D text in After Effects. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.